Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. May Allah blessing you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Azizah. You can call me Azizah. Okay, I'm studying at University Ibnu Khaldun Bogor, majoring in Islamic Broadcasting Communication, Faculty of Islamic Religion. Here I will present about communication according to my major. Communication is the sending and receiving of messages or news between two or more people so that the incident's message can be understood. Communication is very necessary in everyday life, both within the family, community, school, company. Here I will discuss about any kind of communication. There are different kinds of communication. There are four, namely the first intrapersonal communication or communication with oneself. The second is interpersonal communication or communication with two people. The third is group communication or communication carried out in groups. And the last is mass communication by the general public. Interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is communication with oneself with the aim of thinking, reasoning, analyzing, and reflecting. Okay, for example, that's rhyming and introspection, silence, and orders. Intrapersonal communication characteristic are four. The first, done by yourself. The second is carried out constantly in the mind of each individual. The third occurs mainly talk and also talk dreams. The fourth, this communication is more toward integration and identity. The second, interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication as the process of sending and receiving messages between two or small groups. They provide feedback face to face. For example, two friends pouring out their hearts to each other and in discussion between two people. Interpersonal communication characteristic the four. The first, the message flow tends to be two-way. The second, feedback tends to higher. The third, a change in attitude. The fourth can occur verbally or non-verbally. This interpersonal communication is very effective and good because the message is immediately appreciated and gets feedback. The third, group communication. Group communication is communication that takes place among several people in a group. For example, meetings, and conference. Okay, group communication characteristic the second. The first, don't when there are more people. The second, done face to face. Groups that always communicated in every activity will make communication a breathing and communicating medium. Therefore, group communication also has a purpose as a bridging medium between each member of the organism. Okay, for mass communication. Mass communication is message that can be conveyed through mass media. For example, demonstration and call literature, miscommunication characteristic the third. The first, the message is general. The second, the communication takes place in one direction. The third, net encodement. Then the last conclusion in communication is a reciprocal a relationship between an individual who conveys a message or communicates to an individual who becomes a message through the media that causes a certain effect. Communication is one of the basic needs of individuals in interacting within their groups. The purpose of communication is not only informative or as a way of conveying a message, but also as a form of establishing relationship, but individually is groups or organizing. Okay, thank you for attention. Hope this is useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.